So if you have a Google Sheet stored in your Google Drive which has a chart, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and insert that chart directly inside of your Google Vids project. So to do that, all you need to do is go to Insert and then go to Chart, and here you can see that From Sheet is an option. So now this opens up right here as you selected your Google Drive, where you can go ahead and select out a Google Sheet that has chart in it. So here you can see that I have this chart. So let's just go ahead and insert, and then it detects the charts that are there in that particular spreadsheet and ask you to choose it. So let's say you can also go ahead and insert the chart as standalone. So whenever you make changes to the spreadsheet, nothing actually happens to the chart that you have imported. But if you want to keep it linked, which is good in most of the cases, that makes it dynamic, you can simply go ahead and choose that particular chart right here and choose link to spreadsheet and click on import. So once you do that, you can see that the chart gets imported out right here, just like this. And that is how you can embed out charts that you have stored in Google Sheets directly inside of Google Vids, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.